Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will start with the customization. We have to open the settings and here in the left section let's scroll down and go to the display. Then scroll down again and localize the option which is Eye Comfort Shield, and we can turn it on basically without the customization just by tapping on the switcher next to it, and the screen basically will usually turn a little bit yellowish or amber basically in order to filter the blue light. As you can see, I've got my schedule, so it is not visible. So let me quickly enter this option. Let me quickly turn it always on, and as you can see right now we've got this yellowish color. We can change the color temperature. Here we've got the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. We can also schedule it, I'm not sure. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It's location based, as you can see. Simply tap on turn on, or you can tap on custom and freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will of course apply the mode accordingly. So this is the customization option, let's say, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar and unroll it from the right, so you can open this upper panel and unroll it fully to find the eye comfort icon, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.